back, viewers. You're watching News X, and I'm Kriti Mehta. We're starting with some big breaking news update now coming in a major development. Tehelka magazine founder Tarun Tejpal has been sentenced to 10 years of imprisonment in the 2013 sexual assault case. The case relates to allegations of sexual assault made by a former colleague during an event in Goa. The court has now pronounced the sentence after the matter went through prolonged legal proceedings. Let's go across to my colleague Sambhav Sharma on this. Sambhav, 10 years of jail has been granted to Tarun Tejpal. This is the Bombay High Court order, I believe. Tell us more details on this.
Well, absolutely. The two-judge bench of the Bombay High Court, the Goa bench, has sentenced former Tehelka editor-in-chief Tarun Tejpal to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment in 2013 rape case involving his former junior colleague is what is the latest in this case. And Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appeared in this case for Goa government and made certain submissions before the bench, as he has argued that the trial court, in a way, questioned the trial court's earlier judgment and said that in a way it erred by judging the complainant's conduct based on certain facts. And also, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta argued that trial court gave undue weight to minor inconsistencies in the complainant's statement instead of examining whether her core allegations remain consistent. And also referring to one email by Tarun Tejpal to complainant after the alleged incident, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta argued that the accused had apologized for his lapse of judgment, is what Solicitor General has said. And after hearing the arguments, the Bombay High Court has sentenced Tarun Tejpal to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment in 2013 rape case involving his former junior colleague.
All right, Sambhav, stay on with me. I'm going to take some more updates and keep coming back to you on those. Now, another breaking update coming in, viewers. Let's tell you. After being convicted in the sexual assault case of 2013, Tehelka magazine founder Tarun Tejpal has said that he will approach the Supreme Court over the verdict. Tejpal alleged political vendetta, claiming that he is being targeted because of Tehelka's reportage. Referring to jailed activists Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Iman, Tejpal said those who wrote against powerful interests have been targeted and claimed that his case is also linked to a similar pattern. He said he has full faith in the judiciary and will present the evidence before the public. Let's first listen into his reaction.
अभी तो दोपहर को जज अभी बताएगा, अभी जब सुन लेंगे उसके बाद हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाएंगे, 100% जाएंगे। हमको कोई डाउट नहीं है। हम 13 साल से एक पॉलिटिकल वेंडरा के पीछे, तेहलका के काम की वजह से पीछे मेरे पीछे पड़े हुए हैं। तो हम लोगों ने इस ट्रायल कोर्ट में 7.5 साल पूरा केस लड़के हम लोग अक्विट हुए। अभी ये लोग फिर पीछे पड़ गए हैं। जो इनके साथ लोग हैं उनको तो ये सब अक्विट कर देते हैं। जिन्होंने इनके अगेंस्ट कभी भी पत्रकारिता की हो या कुछ भी कहा हो, ये उनके पीछे पड़े रहते हैं। आप लोग पत्रकार हैं, जाके देखिए पिछले 12 साल में कितना लोग को ये लोग गलत केस में फंसाया है। मेरे को भी इसी में फंसा रखा है। हमको फिर भी अक्विटल मिल गया उसके बावजूद। अब ये तो जर्नलिस्ट पे डिपेंड करता है ना कि वो जाके क्वेश्चन पूछे, सवाल पूछे। आपको पता है उमर खालिद जेल में बैठा है 6 साल से। आपको पता है शर्जील इमाम बैठा है। आपको पता है सुरेंद्र गैडलिंग बैठा है जेल में अलग अलग केसों में। भाई इतने नहीं है, कई दर्जनों लोग।
All right, Sambhav, I want to ask you firstly, why is he making this vendetta claim? Because the governments have changed in all these years. It was a different government in 2013 when the case has been filed. It's a different government now. So how is his argument making any sense whatsoever?
Well, as Tarun Tejpal is talking about approaching Supreme Court. So as per law, he has, he can approach the top court of the country. However, Tarun Tejpal, who was present in the courtroom during conviction, has sought leniency from the Bombay High Court, and also he has claimed that he was a political victim and the father of 2 daughters. And now it is to be seen, as and when he approaches at the top court of the country, the Supreme Court. But if we talk about this particular case, this case relates to the allegations by former junior colleague that Tarun Tejpal sexually assaulted her inside a hotel elevator during a fest in Goa. So this was a case, 2013 case, conviction in 2026, where Tarun Tejpal is sentenced to 10 years in this 2013 sexual assault case. This was a bench of a Goa bench of the Bombay High Court, and where earlier the trial court acquitted Tarun Tejpal is important, and the Goa bench, the two-judge bench of the Bombay High Court, had set aside that particular acquittal and sentence and convicted former Tehelka editor.
Right.
Tarun
Stay on
Tejpal.
with me, Sambhav. Supreme Court's advocate Sanjay Verma is also joining us. Mr. Verma, thank you very much for speaking to us on this. The sentence has been given for Tarun Tejpal. What is now next for him? Advocate Verma, can you hear me? All right, we'll try to reconnect with him. Let's take more updates coming in on this. Now, Goa police officer Sunita Sawant